In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place test orders on Shopify without losing sales, allowing you to thoroughly test your checkout and payment flow. One highly recommended method for this is by using Shopify's built-in test mode, specifically their bogus gateway. This method is incredibly useful for ensuring that your entire purchasing process runs smoothly and can handle everything from inventory updates to customer notifications, all without affecting your actual sales data or inventory levels. To get started, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, proceed by clicking on Settings and then select Payments from the available options. Now, if you have an active payment method set up, you will need to temporarily disable or deactivate it. This step is crucial because it ensures that no real transactions can occur while you're testing the system. After you've safely disabled your real payment method, it's time to enable the bogus gateway. You'll find this under the section labeled Other Providers or Payment Providers for Testing. Choose either the bogus gateway or any other test gateway option available to you, and then don't forget to save these settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. With the test mode activated, you can proceed to your storefront. Here, you can go through the process as if you are a customer. Begin by adding a product to your cart and then continue to checkout. At this point, instead of entering actual payment information, you will use one of Shopify's provided test credit card numbers. These are specially designed for testing and can simulate real transactions within the platform. Shopify typically provides you with valid test card numbers, often labeled as numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Make sure to use one of these when prompted. Once you've completed the checkout process using the test number, you can review how everything works. This includes checking for an order confirmation, reviewing any customer notifications that are sent, and seeing how the system handles inventory updates and decrements. It's a comprehensive way to explore every aspect of the purchase process without any risk. Once you've finished testing, it's important to switch back to your live settings. Return to your Shopify admin page and deactivate the bogus gateway. Then, re-enable your real payment method so you can resume normal business operations and continue processing actual customer transactions. This final step ensures your store is ready to capture real sales and handle payments efficiently the moment you turn it back on. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently navigate the ins and outs of test ordering on Shopify, giving you insights and peace of mind in managing your store's checkout and payment systems without impacting your real transactions.